Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just got back from a very beautiful trip into Switzerland. This time I'm working on a 2001 F-350 with a 7.3 liter computer. This is for Victor Perez in North Carolina. So he sent this computer. He has different fault codes, and actually I have the fault codes in there. He said these are the codes that showed up. This is in Spanish, so he said, estos códigos salieron P0500, U2015, B1342, and the P0380. So these are communication codes. I'm not sure what that is because the U code, you will have to see what the problems in the vehicle are, no communication with something. It could be anything. But my focus is what I can read on the computer. I was able to definitely see the problem. It blew up completely the driver for the glow plug and it damaged the board. But I was able to repair. It looks completely factory done. Let me just show you uh, why is this so heavy driver. This is the driver for the glow plugs and this is the circuit. They got damaged through the board and this is what they call relay. So this is a very, it is a relay, but it's kind of like a contactor because it's a heavy load in here. We're talking about a heavy switching, and it is very strong. So when you activate this, it's a spike up to 400 volts, and that's what it could damage the computer. If you have either a bad relay or shorted glow plugs, that can at the end damage your computer. And this is the case what happens in here. So, Víctor, make sure that you check this. So, por favor, Víctor, si ves que hay un problema en el vehículo, que el relay del glow plug está malo o las glow plugs, por favor, cambiar eso. I was just telling him in Spanish that please make sure that you correct any issues in the vehicle because this is not the computer that damaged itself. This is something that damaged the computer, right? So I'm showing how that looks. I'm showing also here the circuit. As you see, is coming on connector. This is a 104 connector computer. So this control for that glow plug relay is on pin 101. And I have that now connected over to a test light. So I'm going to turn the computer off, and this is going to set the timer internal in the computer to turn this on. So when I do this, as you see now, it is now on and now it's a steady on. So this is probably going to take, I don't know, maybe 60 seconds. And the reason it's taking longer than in the vehicle is obviously is because it's not the same load. But this is the original driver. This is an original driver from Ford. So that is, or from the manufacturer, not Ford, because Ford doesn't do anything. But yeah, from the manufacturer specifically for Ford that does this. So this is going to take a little longer. In the meantime, so I'm going to keep the camera there. I'm going to select with these computers, Victor or whoever is seeing this video, you want to turn the ignition on with your scanner connected, well, let's say the BCI, which is that, right, connected over to the DLC port, which I have here and the ignition on. You're not going to establish communication until you already have the ignition on. Don't turn the car on because you're going to lose the communication. If you want to establish communication, sorry, to use the scanner, I recommend you to set the ignition on like I'm doing it here, read the data, and then start the car. So, all right, so we're going to select Ford. These are a null system, so we need to manually select it, especially since no dashboard or anything else is connected to here, right? This is a bench test. In the meantime, please keep an eye on the light because it will go off by itself. So I'm doing a manual selection. I'm going to select vehicle as Ford. In here, I'm going to select the F series, 7.3 liters in direct injection turbo, 2001. It's going to ask me if the ignition is on. It is. And it's going to populate a little bit of a pop-up menus in here, just confirming that is the correct vehicle. And now it's going to, okay, you see now the light for the glow plug went off. Before it was completely shorted it would have probably smoke. The way it was, I think it would probably smoke the glow plug because it was completely shorted to ground, which is at the end what this circuit is providing in here. All right, so in here we're going to go over to PCM, enter, just to see that we can indeed talk to the computer because before it was not talking. This was a completely dead computer. Specifically for the short, it was trying sometimes communications and sometimes not. So read the fault code. We're going to retrieve the CMD, which is constant memory DTCs. And we're going to look for that P0380, which is the glow plug driver. All right, so these are all the rest that you see here, just because nothing of that is connected. But we had the glow plug indicator circuit error because it's looking for the confirmation. I don't have it in here, so that is, and I'm doing on purpose. That why? Because I want to make sure the logic in the computer didn't take a damage, because there was a big damage in here. But the P0380 Victor is completely gone. Ok, el código P03380 está completamente borrado, ya no existe aquí, debido a que ya está reparada la computadora. Ese código P0381 es porque no tengo la confirmación que está esperando la computadora cuando el relay cierra y verlo de vuelta. La razón por la cual no la tengo conectada es para ver que la memoria interna de la computadora esté intacta y no se haya dañado con el golpe que se llevó, porque estaba bastante dañada. All right, guys, I was just explaining that in Spanish as well, just to make sure that in case Victor is more fluent in Spanish, that he can understand everything, and for others that are also watching the video. But yeah, so everything is, as you saw before, working properly. The glow plug driver is now good, and the communication with the computer is good. All right, Victor, so your computer is ready. I will be contacting you shortly. Send this your way, as usual. Thank you so much for sending all these computers my way. And thank you so much for trusting on my Salazar Diagnostics. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.